Welcome to Twill. This is our tutorial video on how to check, track, and download documentations of your shipments. Go to twill.net. Select your preferred language. Proceed to log in. If you have a user and a password in Maersk's site, you can use the same ones on our website. This is your main dashboard. To see all your shipments, you have to click on Go to Shipments. Proceed to type and search the shipment you want to view. Now click on More Details to see all the information of this shipment. Here you can see the overall information of this shipment, the status of it, the equipment you are using, the route, the commodity, and any other additional information. In the next tab, you can see the shipment tasks. Here you can see all the tasks that has been done and also the tasks that are pending. If you don't have any task in this tab, this means that you don't have any actions or information you need to input. Just for your information, most of these tasks are under the exporter responsibility, so these tasks will appear on the exporter's profile. In the Documents tab, you will find the documentations that you can download. You can also click on Go to My Finance to find the invoices of this shipment. Kindly note that the verified copy is a documentation that appears on the exporter profile. If you cannot find this documentation on your website, then you have to contact your supplier or your partner to get this documentation. In the last tab, you will find the additional services you have included in this shipment. We have reached till the end of this tutorial video. Please go and check our other tutorial videos. Feel free to contact us for any additional information. Thank you very much.